Hello, children. I am your teacher Vaishali, and today I have got you a new story. The name of the story is The Talkative Turtle. For a very long time, alongside a village, there was a beautiful lake. It was inhabited by many water birds and fishes. There was a little turtle that also lived in the lake. He was very talkative and would stop talking only when he was fast asleep. Once a severe drought hit the region, and all the rivers, lakes, and ponds began to dry up fast. The fishes began to die, and the water birds flew away to far off places. Soon there was not a drop of water for anyone to drink. The last two geese left near the lake were talking to each other. I think it's time now to say goodbye to this lake. Yes, let us find another lake in some other place. The turtle overheard them talking and he pleaded, "Oh, please, don't leave me alone here. Please take me along." The geese looked at each other and felt pity for the turtle. They wondered how could they take him along. While it was easy for the geese to fly, the turtle couldn't have covered that distance on foot. So the turtle put up a bright idea. He said, "Why not bring a strong stick? I would hold the stick from the middle with my teeth, and you two hold both the ends of the stick in your beaks. This way I can also travel with you." Hearing the suggestion, the geese cautioned him. "It is a very good idea, but you have to be very careful. You are very talkative, and if you open your mouth to speak while we are flying, you will lose your hold and go crashing down to the ground." The turtle promised not to open his mouth during the entire journey. So the geese held the ends of the stick and the turtle held it with his teeth in the middle. And thus they began their long journey. They flew over the hills, valleys, forests, villages, and finally came over a town. The turtle was excited to see such a beautiful sight and forgot that he was hanging. He felt a sudden urge to cheer and he opened his mouth. Then and there he lost his hold on the stick and came crashing down to the ground. So, children, we learn from the story that one should not give in so easily into any temptation. Thank you, children. I hope you enjoyed listening to this story.